Gas in, gas in. Back it up. Hey, passengers, hey, driver's side.
Here, Sheriff's Office K9, stop now. Parking, buddy. Parking. Good boy, buddy, good boy. Get that girl. Drop what you have in your hand. Drop it now. Stay on the ground. Do it now. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back now. Good boy, buddy. Good parking.
Put your hands behind your back.
Let it go. Hands behind your back. Get her hand. Good. Put your other hand behind your back.
I got her.
Dog off.
Why do you keep fighting? Just stop.
Why are you doing this to me?
Because you're under arrest.
You're under arrest.
For what?
For just what I just told you. Fleeing and eluding, resisting.
On February 2nd, 2026, Flagler County Sheriff's Office deputies initiated a felony traffic stop on a U-Haul truck near North Ocean Shore Boulevard. What followed was an 11-minute barricaded subject standoff, requiring an armored vehicle, chemical agents, and K9 deployment to resolve.
Sheriff's Office. Hello? Sheriff's Office. Bag the vehicle's pulling off. Sheriff's Office, stop!
Alpha 111.
Attempting 1015 at North Ocean Shore and Mariners Drive.
Copy.
The vehicle's pulling over at Mariners Drive. 111 Flagler. License siren is activated. Driver is not yielding so far.
Right.
Can we get with the beach units and see if they can get sticks?
6133 Flagler, what are his charges?
Back. Now I have fleet and elude.
Alright, deactivate your license sirens, please.
10-4, they're on.
Pursuit is not authorized, that's all you have.
10-4.
Flagler, I advise, turn off your lights and sirens. Pursuit is not authorized.
Road. Still going southbound North Ocean Shore. Doing the speed limit.
Please 11 Flagler, I'll set up sticks at like 20th Street.
Copy.
Myself at 11 has sticks deployed. 818 North 18th Street.
Copy.
Positive stick hit.
Copy. Stick hit. 756.
Slow down just past 15th.
Pulling on the 15th.
Copy.
15th.
Move out of the way!
Move out of the way, man. Get out of the way.
Good? Yep. Turn the vehicle off! Driver! Roll down your window! Driver! Open the door slowly!
It looks like she's leaning over.
Yeah, I can only see part of her face.
Lower side.
Driver! Open the door slowly and step out!
No. She just looked at it.
Yeah.
111 Flagler, giving commands, no compliance.
This is the Flagler County Sheriff's Office. Driver of the vehicle, I need you to slowly open the door, step out with your hands in the air. Driver of the vehicle, I need you to slowly exit the vehicle with your hands up. Driver of the vehicle, this is the Flagler County Sheriff's Office. I need you to, I can see you speaking to me through the open window. I can't hear what you're saying, so that's why I have to use a speaker. I need you to come outside the car so we can talk about what is going on.
Alright, she's yelling. I think I know.
I can't tell what she's saying.
I have a deputy trying to make contact with you over the phone.
Oh, 'cause I'm just wondering if they have like a 49 that's making her think that she needed to run from us and lock herself in the car.
All
Like,
subject has a history of drugs and resisting.
okay, so it doesn't matter.
And the male hasn't been run yet, but he is a registered sex offender.
She's been through the game before. She already knows.
I think you're just going to go away.
Driver of the U-Haul, I need you to open the door and exit the vehicle with your hands up
Car just went around.
so we can talk to you.
Oh, that might be India unit. That might be the India unit. Yeah, it looks like it. With the drone.
Oh, cool.
5151, it looks like the female's now smoking a pipe inside the other. Held a little fell out the window and started laughing when she saw the drone. Point is there someone with you that can relay the video information?
I think she's just doing all the drugs she can right now.
Sorry, I'm not able to answer your call right now. You can leave a message and I'll get back to you.
So I've been calling, I've called probably about 30 times and I sent text messages. Hey, this is Laura, I work for the sheriff's office. Are you okay? I just want to make sure you're safe. We can figure everything else out together. Can you reply so I know you're safe? Can you please respond to me? I want to help you. And that was over the course of just shy of an hour. And I've called maybe like 15, 20 times. And she's not even looking at her phone. It's probably on silent or turned off or something.
Well, the driver's not brushing her teeth.
She's brushing her teeth.
She's just brushing her hair and getting going on to me.
Well, she's just
doing her thing, man.
She's just not wanting to come out.
We've got the BearCat route.
BearCat pulls up, you're going to pull up. You're going to wait until he bumps the car. So give him a few seconds, and then you're just going to touch the back bumper. Okay. Don't tear up the car, but we'll wait for him to bump through.
So we got fleet and elude on pretty much, I mean, principle. He's not surrendering
he's
to, and
not.
31 use between the two of them.
At this, yes, they're using 31 in there as well. And obvious resisting. She said she's not coming out. We don't know what else is in there. I haven't seen any weapons, but they've been really suspicious with their hands.
Yeah.
She's been loading up her jacket with random stuff.
And the
He's got
history of
blankets
battery
all
on
over.
Leo, I heard that.
She's got history of resisting.
All right, we're going to move to the left so Wolf can take out this mirror. She's looking at us. Let us know when you're good, Wolf. There's 2 mirrors.
All right. You understand? Ready? Shot out. Is it?
Your shadow ball? Who's got shadow ball? You got it? Okay.
Gas in, gas in. Back it up, back it up.
Hey, passengers. Hey, driver's side. Here. Sheriff's Office K9, stop now. Parking, buddy. Parking. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. Get that girl. Drop what you have in your hand. Drop it now. Stay on the ground. Do it now. Put your hands behind your back. Hands behind your back now. Good boy, buddy. Good parking.
Put your hands behind your back.
Let it go. Hands behind your back. Get her hand. Good. Put your other hand behind your back.
I got her.
Dog off.
Under Graham versus Connor, 490 U.S. 386 use of force is lawful, only when it is objectively reasonable from the officer's perspective at the moment of action. Under Pennsylvania versus Mimms, refusal to exit a lawfully stopped vehicle is a violation of a direct lawful order. It is not protected by the Fourth Amendment.
Why do you keep fighting? Just stop.
Why are you doing this to me?
Because you're under arrest.
For what?
For just what I just told you. Fleeing and eluding, resisting.
I don't know.
Yeah, she's just fighting.
Listen to me. You're gonna get bit again, tased. You need to relax. You're under arrest. There's no point fighting anymore.
What jail?
Okay? Stop.
Shut the fuck up.
Stop.
All right, let's get her up.
No.
Here, sit up. Sit up first.
Stand up.
Sit up.
Shut up.
Do you want to go to the ambulance or no?
No.
Oh shit. Just tear her up.
You got arms?
Yep. All right.
No.
Stop.
Rico, get in the pocket. Get the man. Pocket. Good boy.
Yep.
Parking.
He's coming out. Verbals. Come out now. And what's he doing? Come out with your hands up, man.
Keep your hands where we can see them.
Come back.
He's got hands.
Step up.
Drag back to me. Do it now. Let me get in here. Yeah. Keep coming. What's that, Coffee? Keep coming. Keep coming. I got a rifle. Lay on your stomach. Do it now. Lay on your stomach. Do it now.
You need it moved?
I don't have a warrant, so why y'all arrest me?
Stand up on your feet right now.
Is it still spicy? Hell yeah. Well, it is still spicy. Hey dude, they're drinking a V8 energy drinks, peach mango.
That's why there's so much energy.
Do you want like paraphernalia and stuff? Yeah. It's a one-hitter.
You got something better in here than weed, please? Or weed? Give me something good. Please tell me that's something good. It's more weed. Jesus. I swear to God, if this was all over weed.
Now, the moment you've been waiting for. Let's talk about grades. The Flagler County Sheriff's Office deputies collectively receive a B-. They executed a textbook force escalation, verbal commands, loudspeaker, negotiator, BearCat contact, mirror removal, and chemical agents before any physical entry. That restraint kept this encounter from becoming significantly more dangerous. However, the informal tone during an active armed standoff raises professionalism concerns. Post-CS gas medical evaluation protocols must also be confirmed the footage does not show this. That omission is a procedural gap that cannot be ignored. The female driver receives a D. Failing to yield to marked law enforcement vehicles with active lights and sirens constitutes felony fleeing and eluding under Florida Statute Section 316.1935. Her sustained refusal to exit the vehicle after 11 minutes of lawful orders, followed by active physical resistance after K9 deployment, satisfies the elements of resisting with violence, a third-degree felony under Florida Statute, Section 843.01. There is no legal framework that protected any of those choices. The male passenger receives a C-. Invoking the Fourth Amendment during an active felony extraction is not only legally incorrect, it is tactically dangerous when a rifle has just been announced on scene. His eventual compliance prevented further escalation, and that matters. Here's the one takeaway every viewer should leave with. The moment officers activate lights and sirens, your legal obligation to stop is immediate. Every second of noncompliance is a separate act that builds probable cause and justifies escalating force under established constitutional law. If you believe the stop is unlawful, comply first, then challenge it in court.